All right, what's up, everybody? Want to do a little quick review on crypto and where things might be going. Overall, you can see I still have the same horizontal lines. Nothing's really been going on for Bitcoin. I know they've been dropping back a little bit, but we still see a pretty tight, narrow price range and hasn't even come back to break 6,600, but it's sitting back at 6,400. So not a whole lot going on. And so basically, we'll narrow this down here. This price and this price. And so very, very tight consolidation. We probably won't see anything probably till the end of this week. What I noticed that there's more volatility at the end of the week, like Thursday night and Friday morning before the end of Forex is closing. So that's the most volatility I've been noticing. There wasn't a whole lot of volatility during the weekend, and so I don't really see a whole. Like I said, There's not much going on for crypto, and pretty slow to be honest. Let's see where Ripple is still at. Went all the way back to 36 cents. Another resistance at 35. Another resistance at 34. But it still wants to carry up this uptrend. Bitcoin Cash is going back down after hitting 600, back down to 542. Ethereum is back down after hitting pretty much 320. Back down. I would target 259 again. Litecoin at 55, looking to target 51 again. Zcash going back down again, looking to target 126. Pretty much I would go down to the wick, about 118, 120 there. Neo, yeah, same structure. They retraced back to high price and then they've fallen back down. So $20 resistance. Was it $20.64, $20.07, $19.83, and then back down. I would target 16, 15, and 14. Dash, yeah, I would target 135 and then the wick of 130. Other than that, like I said, I am on a long-term sell until I see some kind of major, some kind of major buying opportunity. But I don't really see a buying opportunity anytime soon. So let's see the new weekly candle. Ooh, yeah. I would expect this to be a new bearish candle coming down and try and close below 5,700 to break this initial support here. And then come test 3,500. And then come test 2,000. And then we'll see where it goes from there. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Yeah, there's not a whole lot going on. Not from what I've seen so far. Nothing really. All right, that's pretty much it. Cutting it loose. Thanks for tuning in.